kids, in the last video we learned small case letters. So now in this video we will learn small cursive letters. So we will see how to write small cursive letters in 4 lines. So let's start. See, these are the lines. So let's see how to write. A says A in 4 lines. So first you have to start with the second line, right? So start from the tail, go up, make a curve, again go up, come down and make a tail. This is A says A. Now let's see. B says B. So again we will start from the second blue line. Go little bit slanting. Come, take a turn and come down. Make a curve inside and little bit of tail. So this is B says B. Now let's see. C says K. Herein again we will start from the tail. Go up. Touch the line. Make a curve and come down. This is C says K. Now we will see D says D. So again we will start from the second blue line. Make a tail. Go up. Take a curve. Again go up. Touch the red line. Come down. And tail. This is D says D. Now let's see. E says Eh. So again we will start from the second line, second blue line. Make a curve. Come down. Go little above and lift your hand. This is E says Eh. Now let's see. F says F. So again we will start from the tail. Go up. Touch the red line. Come down straight. Again go up. Make a curve inside and little bit of tail. This is F says F. Now we have G says G. So we will start from the third line. This is first, second and third line. So tail always start from the third line. So start from the third line. Make a curve. Again go up. Come down. Touch the bottom line. Make a curve and tail. Then lift your hand. This is G says G. Now we have H says H. So again we will start from the tail. So make a slanting line. Make a curve and then make a straight line. Again go up. Make a curve. Make a little straight line and then tail. H says H. Now let's see other letters. This is I says E. So again we will start from the third line. As I said, all the letters will start from the third line. So first, second and third. So little bit of slanting line, straight line and tail. So this is bindi. I says E. This is called I says E. Now we have J says J. So little bit of slanting line. Touch the second line. Come down. Touch the bottom line. Make a curve. And slanting line. Tail. So this is J. Okay. J says J. Now we have K says K. So again we will start from the tail. Make a slanting line. Make a curve. Make a straight line. Again go up. Make a curve. Go inside. Touch the standing line. Come out. Slanting line and tail. This is K says kicking K. Then we have L says L. So make a slanting line. Make a curve. Go straight to the third line. And little bit of curve. This is L says L. Then we have M says M. In M, you have to make little bit slanting line. Then straight line. Go up. Come down. Again go up. Come down and tail. You have to make 2 times curves. Okay, so this is M says M. Now let's see N says N. So little bit of slanting line, straight line, make a curve and tail. N says N. Now let's see O says O. So start again from the third line. This is tail. Go up. Come down. Go up again. Go inside and make a tail. So this is O says O. Now we have P says P. So start from the third line. Little bit slanting line. Go up straight. Touch the top line. Come down. Touch the bottom line. Again go up. Touch the second line and make a curve and little bit of tail. This is P says P. Okay. Then after P says P, we have Q says Q. So start from the tail. Make a curve. It is like curly curve. C says curve, right? So if you make tail and curve, it is C says curve. Then you have to go up, come down straight to the bottom line and tail will touch the third line. Okay. So this is Q says Q. Now let's see. R says R. So start from the tail, little bit slanting line, make a curve, make a circle, again curve, touch the line, come down and tail. This is R says R. Now we have S says S. So start from the tail. Make a slanting line. Make a curve, little circle. Again make a curve inside. and come out and make a tail. So this is S says sir. Then we have T says t. So little bit of slanting line. Touch the top line. Make a straight line and tail. And then little above the second line we will put the sleeping line. So this is T says t. Now we have U says a. So slanting line. Come down and go up again. Come down and tail. This is U says a. Then we have V says v. So make a slanting line. Come down. Again make a little slanting line. Curve inside and tail. V says v. This is W says v. So make a slanting line. 2 times curves and go inside. Take a turn and tail. This is W says v. Then we have X says s. So tail. Make a curve. Again go up. Touch the line and come down and curve. This is X says s. Then we have Y says y. So start from the slanting line. Touch the line, go down. Again touch the second line. Come down, touch the bottom line, make a curve and tail. This is Y says y. And this is Z says z. So start from the tail, make a curve. Touch the third line. Again come down, make a curve, touch the bottom line. Go up and make a tail. This is Z says z. Okay, so children, these are the small cursive letters add to z. So you can do the practice, okay, at home. Write in 4 line and show it to mama daddy. Okay. Okay children, bye. Take care and please do the writing practice in the 4 lines. Thank you.